Hey guys, we are kayaking. She's back there somewhere. This is our view.
Wait, tell us. Side quest number 1. We sending it. It's still a video.
I know, I figured that out. That's why I waved. Hi.
Oh, you're so cute. Woo!
Watch this.
Oh God. Oh God. You're so good at that.
I'm so strong right now.
Okay, wait, ready? Okay. This is my second time, and we low-key made it pretty far from the backyard, so heck yeah, y'all.
Hey guys.
I'm on to paddleboarding. Oh yes, Stella. This is like my second time. Yep. It's very peaceful, very muddy, but you know, we ballin'. We just ballin'. Bye bye. Oh wait, how do I stop this? Kaboom.
Oh, it's recording. Why is it recording?
Like I said, you gotta move the top button.
Oh. Well then, hey guys, we're kayaking. Look at this view. It's beautiful.
I know, it's beautiful.
See that? Beautiful view.
That was a good one. Anyhow. Go! I'm trying, but you're in my way. Ah! You!
I'm sorry, it slipped. Well, I videoed the whole thing.
Out of here! Wait, right?
Wow, you're slow.
Why am I like stuck?
I'm gawk.
Let's get out far.
Yes, okay. Go, bro.
Why is it so weird? It's already going, little bro. That was so cute. I have to pee. Oh, that's funny. Give me up for adoption at this point, bro. Like, ah! Ah! Go! You have no idea. I'm trying.
Okay, you. So we didn't realize that it was getting to be low tide, not high, and well, we're kind of stranded. We'll let you know if we make it out of here. We're washed on shore. There's no water.
Like actually stuck, and I tried to walk and it didn't work.
She got a little stuck, guys.
I was like, okay, let's just get up and walk and drag our kayaks, but we sink.
So, we're stranded, but it's okay because we prevail and we baddies.
We have each other's company.
Yep, and it's low-key been funny, so, you know, add a little spice to your life.
Okay, so update. I got myself free. She's about to be free. She's a couple seconds away. So we're probably not going to be stuck. On the bright side, at least we have this incredible view.